folks, today we're in Puerto Plata and we are doing a dune buggy excursion. Today I'm riding with an awesome new friend from the ship, Megan. That's one of the best things about cruising. You get to meet new folks.
Ready? Ready? Ready?
Ready. She's doing a terrible job of keeping us dry. Megan understood the assignment. The important thing of dune buggy is picking the right dune buggy buddy. I picked the right dune buggy buddy. When you come to Puerto Plata, you gotta do the dune buggy excursion. I don't remember which one it is, but I'll put it up on the screen for you. Woo! Let's do this. Oh, let's do this. Let's do this.
Let's do it.
And you gotta do this with Megan, otherwise it's not nearly as fun. It's like, what's the point? They're trying too hard to stay dry. They don't know the assignment.
No.
I think we're gonna have the muddiest buggy of everybody.